How to create a Wikipedia account. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Wikipedia account. So creating a Wikipedia account is quick and free. It unlocks features like editing pages, creating new articles, and joining discussions. So to do that, first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your browser and search for enwikipedia.org/wiki/main page. Now in here, look for the create account button and then click on it, and that will take you in this section. So in here, go ahead and create a username for your account. So make sure that that username has a capital first letter, and then create a password for your account. And then confirm that password, and then enter the email address that you want to use for this account. And then take note, email address is required to recover your account if you lose your password or log in from a unfamiliar location or new browser. So make sure to actually check the CAPTCHA first before you click on the create account button to be able to proceed on creating an account. So if you don't find the reCAPTCHA section, make sure to reload your page to be able to find that. So once you click on this create your account button, you'll get redirected into a new page where be required to enter the verification code sent to you by Wikipedia on that email address that you've just entered. And then once you have verified it, you can go ahead and proceed on using your Wikipedia account. And that is how you can basically create a Wikipedia account.